Hello there and welcome to the Law of Attraction World channel. Today I'm going to tell you a crazy story that happened to me a few weeks ago. But before that I'm going to talk to you about a ritual, how to get rid of negative things in your life. I've heard this for the first time from Bob Proctor. Of course you know who Bob Proctor is. He's one of the famous figures of the Law of Attraction. He was on the movie The Secret. So of course you know who Bob Proctor is. The idea of getting rid of the negative things in your life is that you will do a ritual. Take a piece of paper and write on it the negative thing that you want to get rid of in your life. Like shame, fear, guilt, anything. Do not write I want to get rid of or I don't want this in my life. No, just the thing itself, like fear or guilt or shame, resentment, anything. Write it on the piece of paper with your own handwriting. Writing is very powerful, like I always say, and the action of writing is symbolic. You create. Your handwriting is your creation. When you write with your own hand, you create something. Then take that piece of paper and throw it on fire. Burn it and watch it burn. As the paper is burning, chant a mantra or say any kind of positive affirmations about how you want your life to become without that negative thing. Like for example, if you want to get rid of hate in your life, write hate on a piece of paper, throw the paper on fire. As the hate is burning, keep saying I am love, I am love, I am full of love. Any positive affirmations about love. Anyway, so now that you know the ritual that I'm talking about, I'm gonna tell you about the crazy story that happened to me a few weeks ago. It was the night of the December 21st. It was a very special night because it's the longest night of the year in many parts of the world, and also it's the official start of winter in the place where I was and also in many other parts of the world. So it was a special night. We were camping, me and a bunch of other people from different parts of the world. There was a couple. The man was from the UK and the woman was from Puerto Rico, but both of them were living in the States. There was an American girl with her friend from Brazil. There was an Argentinian couple. There was a couple Italians, some friends from Spain. Anyway, many people, 14 people I think. The American girl from the United States, she was into the law of attraction. And she caught my attention the first time she started talking about doing manifestation rituals and stuff. So we were talking. We were camping in the desert and we were sitting around the fire, a bonfire. We started bonfire to keep us warm. And we were talking, chit-chatting about different things. The girl started talking about doing rituals. And she started by saying, please don't judge me for the ritual that I'm going to do. But we started talking, nobody judged her of course, and she talked about getting rid of some negative things in her life. So among all the 14 people, there were 5 of us who got into the conversation deeply, and we decided to do the ritual actually, for real. It was her and her friend, me, and another couple, the man from the UK and the woman from Puerto Rico. Anyway, long story short, we decided to take a piece of paper and to write the things that we want to get rid of. Everybody wrote whatever they want to get rid of, and we all threw the paper into the fire in front of us and we watched it burn. And then we were chanting and saying, "Ooh, yeah, we got rid of negativity in our lives," and blah blah blah. Anyway, that's not the crazy part. The crazy part is that we went to sleep, and the next day, the 5 of us who did the ritual, all of us has crazy dreams. I'm not lying, I swear. Each one of us has crazy dream. The rest didn't, only the ones who did the ritual. My dream was that my laptop was stolen from me. And my laptop is very valuable because it has all the pictures and memories, everything is on it, and most of my work is done on laptop, so it has a very important value to me. Another man had a dream that he was robbed at a gunpoint, but he was able to flip the situation to his favor. Anyway, the 5 of us who did the ritual had crazy dreams. Maybe it was a coincidence, I don't know. Anyway, I advise you to try these things and to see. When we talked about it, the girl from the United States that encouraged us to do the ritual said that it's a symbolic dream that the negative thing is leaving your life. And we all agree, we kind of felt the same way. We kind of felt that something was leaving our life. We are getting rid of something. And we noticed a change, all five of us. I know that many skeptical people of you would think, oh, this is just a coincidence, it's crazy, it's blah blah. Anyway, if you believe that it could work for you, try it, do it. It's not a new thing. A lot of people have done it before and it's helped them getting rid of negative things in their life. So I advise you to do it too. Pick a special night or a special day, and it helped if you are within a group that also believe in the same thing, because the groups have energy. Like when it's a group, the energy is amplified. So do it in a group, it's better. That's it. If you've already tried it, please let me know in the comment below. Tell me what happened and your reaction, and if you had any dreams or any crazy thing that happened, or if you noticed any changes in your life. And that's it. It was really a great experience. So pick a special night or a special day, get yourself into a group that believe in the same thing, and do that ritual. Burn the negative things that no longer serve you and you don't need them in your life. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.